Let us imagine that we are going to do research, origin of universe, how to find out origin of universe, genesis, in order to realize ultimate truth behind this question. Then we need deep meditation. When we start reading the books, collecting the different articles on genesis, on origin of the universe, there is no proof that what we are reading and what we are collecting the knowledge is clear, is correct. What is the proof? When you have personal experience, when you see that genesis, when you are able to observe that creation, creativity and creator, as we are seeing each other exactly in the same way, when we are able to observe creation, creativity and creator exactly clearly, without any doubt, then we are understanding it. Then what is the way to realize this genesis, origin of this universe, origin of human species? You have to practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely. When we practice Kriya Yoga meditation, we reach to a stage that we do not need breath for survival. We do not need oxygen for survival. We do not need blood flow for survival. We do not need heart beating, kidney function, liver function. When we realize that all metabolic process which is present within head to toes, without them we realize is some unique our presence. Our unique presence, when metabolic process is absent, then we realize that we are omnipresence consciousness. We are not sitting in meditation hall or in a certain place. We are present everywhere. This is the reality we realize. Then we also realize that we were present in past, we are now, and we will remain present in future. Omnipresence means in past, present, future, here and there, up and down, everywhere. The moment we realize that we are omnipresence in our consciousness, then we have clear proof that we are one with God. And when we are one with God, then all illusions, ignorance disappears. Then we realize there is no illness, sickness of body and mind. There is no problem of any kind. And whatever we need, that things come automatically. As in the Genesis, when God decided there should be light, then there is a light. When God decided there should be water, then there is water. Before that, there is no water and light. In the same way, if you decide, if you need certain things, that we want this, automatically it will come. You have not to do any tensionful effort. This will be automatic process. If you want 1,000 person, and if they are very important for any special work, all thousands will come. If you do not need, then you will not find their presence. There is an automatic process. As within head to toes, there is an automatic process. Liver is working, lungs are working, kidneys are working. In the same way, there is an automatic process. Whatever we need, that will come immediately. That will not come before, and that will not stay after. When we realize this reality, then we realize what is Genesis. Then what is the Genesis? That is a very important point. That the whole universe is created by some cosmic intelligence. And when creation starts, There was no any time zone. Immediately spontaneous. There is an emergence of visible universe from invisible. Then you will realize this visible universe is having certain feature, and that certain feature is just like his image. And my arm is there. This arm is having image with this. And image is nothing, but it is present. Image is there. Object is there, image is there. In the same way, this visible universe, whatever we see, this is the image of the eternal object. That eternal object is known as God. Then this visible universe is presence of God in the form of image. And when you hold image, you will reach substance, you will reach God. And image is having no any problem. You cannot feel pain in the image. There is no pleasure in image. You see, the image of mind will be image of intelligence, image of sense organs, image of arm. In short, there is image of 24 elements. But in reality, if you feel pain, because you are realizing you are having pain, therefore pain exists. And if you believe there is no pain, you will not feel pain at all. We are having the mental image of God in the form of blind mind. What we imagine, we feel it. Something we do not like. When you do not like it, then you start practicing aversion. I do not like, I do not like, I do not like. Immediately you start feeling pain. When you start feeling pain, from where this pain came? From disliking. The moment first appearance of any perception which you ignore or you do not like, you will feel pain. For example, I am having certain changes within me. I ignore it, I don't care it. Then that changes will come in the form of pain. I am having some changes within head and spine, within each and every part. But I don't care. Then remember, all those changes will come in the form of pain. Therefore, never ignore anything. Then how to experience, how to practice, never ignore. What is the technique to practice, never ignore? Then concentrate on each and every part from toes of the feet up to the head. Try to feel it more and more, more and more, more and more, and never end. Never put any limit. Each and every moment you will find new dimensional changes. And appreciate all. And love all as you love God. Loving God means loving more than anything. Then you will realize you do not have pain, no illness, no sickness, no tension, no problem of any kind. The moment you ignore it, then remember, you are going to experience same with the high intense change. And the highest way of ignoring is sleep. Oh, I want to sleep, I want to sleep. Why you want to sleep? Because you want to ignore changes. The moment you demand more sleep, it means you are going to suffer from high intense pain. Oh, I hate sleep, I do not want to sleep, still you will get pain. You have not to hate sleeping condition, you have not to hate awake condition, you have not to hate dreaming condition. Whatever condition you experience, try to be with that. Then you will realize there is no illness, sickness, there is no problem of any kind. This is a very important point to realize. What is the conclusion? Conclusion is very simple. We are having this visible presence head to toes. This is nearest of near creation. Never ignore it. When you are sitting, standing, lying down, working, resting, all the time try to feel it more and more. And whatever you feel, accept it. Highest, supreme, the best. And how to compare it? No comparison. The moment you practice this, then you will realize very sincerely absence of all problems. And if you ignore it, oh, I am talking and laughing and cutting the jokes, and you are cutting the jokes and talking and laughing, then you forget to feel each and every part, forget to feel various changes. That will create problem. Therefore, joking and unnecessary laughing is injurious to self-realization. And we need a smile of soul. What is the smile of soul? Moment we concentrate on each and every part of body, and you believe there is no illness, sickness, there is no problem, nothing. What you feel is presence of knowledge, power, peace. Then you will have such great smile. That smile we want on our face. Therefore, never try to cut a joke. Because when you are cutting joke, you must see that somebody may be sincerely thinking about something. Cutting joke means you are disturbing that person. And we are making a jokes in a group. And without asking that what they are doing. If they are not doing anything, but they may be concentrating on head to toes. You are trying to cut a joke. You are trying to make a laugh because laugh is good. This is the false concept. Any smile on the face, that is smile of the soul. What is the smile of the soul? When you concentrate on each and every part of body, there is no body. Soul has become this visible presence. Then body never exists. When try to feel the soul, and that is smile on the face we need. But when you see many places, oh, laugh is very good. Oh, keep on laughing. You are not laughing, I will make a joke, you will laugh. I am telling you a story and you will laugh. That is very objectionable. We should not do it. Therefore, cause of illness, sickness is number one, ignoring existence of self. Then never ignore, concentrate on head to toes. And second, not accepting this, that this is not body, this is not cells and tissues, this is not atom and molecules. God has become this existence. After that you will realize God has become all. Then all problems will disappear. This is in brief how to get rid of problems.